Let's go! Today we storming the Conan Zone as USJ. As a true detective fan, you know I had to check out the 4D live show. First thing first, USJ app on, GPS engages. Follow the map and boom, here's the building. It's still morning, so pretty chill. Crowds are light, vibes are strong. Along the way, crew member kept giving me thumbs up. Not because I'm cute, okay maybe, but because I wore Snoopy plush ears move hat. 10 out of 10 cheer scored. Got in the line, long path, but they take a lot of people per round. Sadly, I had to bail because my Mario Zone time slot crashes. Came back in the evening, walked through Hollywood Zone all ecstatic. Then into the intro room, no filming allowed but outspeed the tea while you look around the shop. Sonoko played by the real actress and she nailed it. Same sass. Then we line up for 4D classes. I wanted to keep them so bad but got to return. I sat all the way at the end and guess what? Kaito Kid sit lying down right next to me. What a moment! There were real actors for Sonoko Run, Kaito Kid. Conan and the crew were on screen of course. Show lasts about 30 minutes, worth every second. After that, time to shop. The Conan store is dangerous. I wanted everything. Buy boxes, cookies, keychains. I grabbed a bunch, but I'll unbox those in the next video. Mini spoiler, I got Mori Kogoro sideboard and Conan figures. But I got Conan twice. If you wanna trade, hit me up in the comments.